Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Quick video on these, I don't know how to describe them, electric or electronic rechargeable flameless candles. And here they are. There's 3 in this pack here. Oh, I had these around for a while. Some dust there. Yeah, I've had these out. I mean, I thought they'd be good for some videos that I do, and could use them for Halloween, Christmas, and they're pretty. I think they're pretty realistic. I was surprised visually how they look on the camera, on video. So I repacked them. Like I said, I had them out. You get 3 sizes, and it's a charging cable. I just plug this into a transformer that I have, an adapter that I have for an older phone. Works fine. It's a USB on one side, and I forget what they call this, like 3.5 millimeter or something. And it seems to have, I think it has this plastic that I haven't taken off yet, but they're rechargeable, so they have built-in batteries. And I noticed on the box it says, let's see, 10 key remote control, 1 cable to charge 3 at a time. So you charge them 3 at a time with this cable. And it also has this remote. You've got a candle mode, light mode, increase brightness or decrease brightness. And you can have it so it's on, you set 4 modes, 2 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, and 8 hours. And the charging time is 1 to 2 hours. Do not charge if for too long. Do not charge. Oh, okay. Never mind. Do not charge it for too long, and do not turn on the candle light while charging. It's a good thing I read that, because I don't think I've had it on while charging. So there is a little manual. It's a good thing I read that about turning it on while charging. So it comes with this manual. Yeah. I've able to put this back in. It comes with a little protective piece of plastic to keep the battery from draining before it's purchased. So let's turn this on. What is this? Okay. So it is, angled to be viewed in one direction. Get the light reflecting off of the imitation wax. And I think the way this works is that, you can't hear it, but I think there's, those ultrasonic humidifiers, or the ultrasonic diffusers that you can use to put out different fragrances or scents. I think it creates a wave that moves these pieces of plastic. If you can see, it's balanced on a piece of wire. And I think there's just some airflow that causes those to move, unless I don't think it's a magnetic thing. I think it's just because I can see the device underneath. I can see the circuitry. But anyways, so you get 3 candles, and this is the remote. And like the manual says, you have, so these are constant lights. And there you have the candle effect. And you can dim it. Maybe the dimming, not going to pick it up with the lights, so I'll turn the lights off and you can see what this looks like in a darker environment. And it really can't simulate unless you want to stick around for 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. So you don't have to worry about any open flame. Put these in your window or a display in the house. Let me turn the lights off so you can see what these look like in the dark. Okay, so let's see. No pun intended. Now I can't see the remote. So dimming. Maybe the dimming works only on constant light. Let's put it on constant light. So that's constant. And turn it down. Oh, you have to keep on pressing it. It's not continuous. You can't just keep the button pressed. You have to keep on. And it reacts, so you know you're communicating with it. So let me put it back on candle. And now increase the light again. Yeah. Should have remembered that because I had already figured that out. So that's the brightest. And I think they look like real candles. So you got I think that's a design thing when you do it in threes. So let me turn the lights back on. So, evidently, I mean, if it says automatic timer, recycle every 24 hours, non-moving flame, moving flame, not certain what automatic timer is. Let's see here. Timer feature allows you to set 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, timed to automatically turn on and off. Will cycle every 24 hours. Not certain what that means. If it comes back on again. So, yeah, I'm sure there are many different brands, but this is the one that I purchased off of Amazon. It's called, well, AUTBYE. flame effect, rechargeable battery, 10 key remote control, 1 cable to charge 3 flameless candles. So if you're looking to purchase an item like this, thought I'd just do the video on the ones that I purchased and the features that it has. Again, comes with this nice remote. And you don't have to worry about a open flame. And I'm sure in the window, this must be what I'm seeing other people use with these. A lot different from when I was a kid and you had that small bulb that came in different colors, orange, red, green, or just clear. So hope this video helps in your decision on purchasing an item like this. I think they're a good prop to have and produce a realistic looking flame. So thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. Till next video. Bye.